Hey guys, Rick here, back down the layout. Um, Not much to go over on the layout. Not much has changed. I was waiting on some parts and some supplies, and they just came in. So I'm going to do my very first unboxing video. Unfortunately, it's not like a surprise or a contest. It's just some stuff I ordered, but figured I'd share with you. Why not? I'm down here by myself anyway, just me and the crickets. All right, so let's dive in. I got everything from Train World. I tried Yankee Dabbler, but they didn't have these items in stock, which I thought was kind of surprising because it's not like they're any specialty supplies or anything. You can pretty much find them anywhere, but Train World seems to be able to get them to me overnight. With no issues. So Yankee Dabbler, even though they're actually closer to me, usually take 2 or 3 days to fulfill the order, which usually isn't a problem. I've ordered from them before. Good service, good stuff, no worries. So, got a lot of packing tape here, a lot of bubble wrap. Let's dive in here. We'll do the big stuff first. No, let's do the little stuff. They're on top. So, first thing I got here, because John and I were going over this last week, and we have so many different tunnel portals that are on this layout. I think I mentioned there's like 8 of them, and we weren't sure exactly what style we wanted to use, so I got a couple of them. Again, I'm not modeling any, or we are not modeling any specific style or time frame or any specific route like the UP or the BNSF or the old Pennsylvania Railroad. It's just kind of like whatever comes up and whatever looks good, whatever we like, that's what we're going to go with. So. Again, all HO scale. Here is the first one. This is the cut stone double track tunnel portal. Now, I'm going to give you a little hint to something I got coming up. I saw a video of a guy who took these and made a plaster cast out of it, and used the plaster cast to make other tunnel portals. So I'm going to try it. So for right now, I only got a couple of these in different styles, and I'm going to see how it works out. Future video to come. But another problem that I'm going to have is over there, I actually have my 3 tracks are so close together. I was trying to do a single portal and a double portal, and it doesn't look like that's going to work. So it's going to wind up probably being a triple portal, which, oddly enough, no one makes a tunnel portal for. So I think what I might try and do is when I'm taking this this double portal, after I make the plaster cast of it, I'm going to try and cut it in half and extend it and see if I can make a 3D cast. For not a 3D cast. Well, it's going to be 3D, but I'm not 3D printing it. I'm going to make try and make a plaster cast of a 3 tunnel portal. So we'll see how that works out. That might not be in the next video, but maybe I'll shoot it and see how it goes. But that's the first one. Second one that we've got. And again, I'm sure you guys have probably already seen all of these because it's not like they're any specialty product. You can pick them up almost anywhere. But this is the single track cut stone tunnel portal. And that actually goes with this. So you get your single and your double there. I believe they're the same, right? Yeah, so they're the same, just in single and double. And then the third one that John liked, which I think is kind of cool. I'm digging it. would be hard to replicate if I ever had to make this into a triple track portal. Sorry for the noise. This is the HO Scale Random Stone single portal track tunnel. So this one is probably the one that I like the most. This is actually what I wanted, that whole section there where the track's coming off. That's kind of what I wanted it to look like. So I don't know if we're still doing the mountain scene or if it's just going to be a whole stone facade, but we will see. All right, last two. Uh-oh, wait a minute. What is this? Oh, I almost forgot that I even ordered this. So, along with the tunnel portals, I got the Woodland Scenics Tunnel Liner Foam. Yeah, foam. You're supposed to be able to fill this with plaster. Fill this with plaster, and then when it dries, it makes kind of that like L shape there, and then you put this inside your tunnel portal, and then you plaster cast another one, put it over there, and it replicates the inside of your walls. And it gives it that rocky kind of texture. I know the light is kind of weird. See if I can catch that right. So you get that rocky feel to it. So that would be one side, that would be the other, and what it would look like, I don't know if I'm going to get that at all. Yeah, you get the idea. So this is actually what the texture would look like. It's going to look just like that. It's going to take that form. But you get the idea. And then I guess this little section here is to make some spacers of some sort. I guess if you need this longer. To kind of, I guess, maybe fill in the roof or maybe height-wise, something like that. So, yeah, here's a picture of the how it's supposed to go. So, see how that works out. Okay, oh, forgot that I even ordered that. All right, so these are the big guys. So, again, just like before, here is the 2% grade. Awesome. And as well, the 3% grade. And these are going to go right here. Because when those tracks come this way, across whatever bridge I try and figure out, we already went through that, whatever this bridge is going to be, it's going to meet up with those, and they're going to continue around towards the back of the layout, and then we go from there. So, yeah, just wanted to share that with you, my first unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed the info. Again, everything that I bought from Train World. Not that I'm giving them any promotion, but they're not paying me to say it, I can tell you that. So yeah, there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll definitely take you on the journey as all this stuff goes in and everything that goes along with it, and we'll see how it goes. Something tells me there's going to be some failures and some successes here, but either way we roll, we'll roll down the rails. Yeah, let's see if we can get this journey going, and let's ride these rails together. See you guys.